bars like my name is Benny Madoff. There's nothing I'm afraid of. Protection in my radar. If you trigger those around me, they must spray you with an AR. But that's the first time you front page in the paper. Matter of fact, it's the first time you getting paper back to back. I swear these other monkeys couldn't battle rap. Purple haze, hammer rhymes are harder than a tattleback. Best of the best, cause I kick it, couldn't get tongue. Pull my hand, meets your face, make it clap, couldn't get shown. Paul, I got many clicks, I'm a tosser like in Don. When I'm in the streets, I win the battles like I'm John.
I pull up by the spot, I'm like, what's poppin' though? I ain't got no time and I just cop and go. I'm posted on the block, I'm at the corner store. With them drug dealers posted with a couple hoes. Drop it to the floor, but you already know. You rockin' with the illest from the BYO. So connected, I'm a target of the CIO. Bitch, I'm levitating, stacking up and making more. Bad bitches with me, you know I'm the man. I see you niggas talking, hater, what you saying? I try to tell you niggas, y'all don't understand. Y'all niggas get up out of line, my niggas start spraying. Ask around about me, know you probably heard about me. Heard them niggas killing shit, yeah, that was probably about me. Over here, we play for keeps, never lacking in the streets. Never really bout this beef, but homie, we can handle shit. We handle biz, oh y'all niggas handle tweets. Your baby mama on the text, I got her in the sheets. I'm all about the bag, chain hang, pants sag. Tell his rappers quiet, catch your body bag. Yeah, yeah, that's right, body bag.
It's my name, your boy, Mrs. It's my party, your boy. I hold it down for the girls claim they act at my arrival. They boys notice treat me like a rival. High status, green paper like sativa. High haters, you can sip on my saliva. Stingy man association misers. They never had my touch, I'm the Midas. In every song I'm giving you reminders. The cash money really where my eyes are. My neck will never tell you where my ties are. My inner child's a son, so he rise up. I'm going viral, miss me with the Pfizer. I'm on the web, chilling like a spider. I'm on the bread, busy with the fiver, so neatly got a side hustle, killing it to find a soul, shining till I blind a troll. Then I signed a scroll. I was chilling in my gaze, I am kinda cold. My vest be topping like it's pizza in and Domino's. Told my team in North and dead, 14 that we gon' be pros. Took writing for granted as I grew up till it got me dough. It got me doors open everywhere and then it got me more. I meant the paper, but it probably got me more. Doubled up, it got me shows, and God, we rose the path we chose. I still come up with bars like they an elevator. My life sounds like I brag when I tell a hater. Wait till we're 6 feet under, then they celebrate us. Sharing memes the way our fathers used to share the paper. Share my song if I'm paid. We may share the paper. If they ask who killing beats, we the perpetrators. Knocking bars like doors, and Jehovah is my witness. Then MCP snaps, crunch it like the knickknacks. I'm a chocolate drop. Click share like it's a Kit Kat. Step into my shoes, then my soul is where the feet at. Yeah. Finally got T1 on a track. Mansa Musa clap. Been a long time coming. Finally got T1 on a track. Musa clap. Meeting at the stadium is game time. Business in a pleasure and in a treasure at the same time. Never want my kids to fight the same wars. I tell them my mistakes inside a chapter of my memoirs. Doubters were just fuel in my dreams, moody engine. But I discover stars, kungenasa, not your pension. I create the models that you use, not a pageant. 21 salute me for my loot and this is sergeant. Any plot to take me down considered as insurgent. Living in a dream could have you walking to a dead end. Why don't you awaken so you live it in the present? Why don't you decide to love yourself